Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Venmo payment declined. First, let's understand why a Venmo payment get declined. The most common reason is not enough balance. If you're paying from your Venmo balance or account, make sure there is enough money available. Next, check your limit or your linked payment method. For that, open Venmo, go to the setting and make sure your debit card, credit card or the bank account are added correctly. Also check if your card is expired, blocked or temporarily limited by your bank. Another common reason is internet problem. For that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. It will open Control Center. From here you can check a weak Wi-Fi or mobile data signal can cause the payment to fail. Try switching a strong Wi-Fi network and send a payment again. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.